children. How are you? Fine? Yeah. I will draw the one picture. You tell me that picture name. Okay? Okay. I drawing picture and tell me that picture name. What is this picture name? What is this picture name? Tell me, children. This picture name is monitor. Which one? Monitor. M-O-N-I-T-O-R. Monitor. What is the name? Monitor. M-O-N-I-T-O-R. Monitor. Why are you using this monitor? This monitor using display the pictures. Display the pictures. And we are seeing pictures. We are seeing the pictures. That's why using the monitor. That's why using the monitor. Observe this picture. Same one. This is a monitor. This is a monitor. Next one is cabinet. Cabinet or CPU. Cabinet or CPU. What is this picture? This is CPU. What is this? CPU. CPU means Central Process Unit. Central Process Unit. What is this picture name? This picture name is CPU. This picture name is CPU. This CPU is Central Process Unit. Central Process Unit or cabinet. Or cabinet. C-A-B-I-N-T. Cabinet. C-A-B-I-N-E-T. Cabinet. Why are you using this cabinet? Why are you using this cabinet? This cabinet are using for storage data. Storage data. Storage images. Storage movies. Storage the playing game. That's why using the cabinet. Okay na? This cabinet using it. Next one. Keyboard. What is this? Keyboard. This is keyboard. This keyboard letters A to Z and numbers 0 to 9. Letters is A to Z and numbers 1 to 9. Different symbols are there. Different symbols are there. This keyboard are using input the values. Input the values. You enter for click the any, type the any name, anyone. That's why using the keyboard. That's why using the keyboard. Next one, mouse. Next one is mouse. This is mouse. This is small mouse. You select the any item, images, videos, and any movies, play games. That's why using selecting the any icon. That's why using the mouse. That's why using the mouse. Okay na? Next one. What is the computer? What is the computer? Computer is a electronic device. Computer is a electronic device. It is connected to input and output devices. It is connecting the input and output devices. That is called computer. This is computer. Fine. This is monitor. Next one, keyboard. Keyboard is a input devices and mouse. Mouse is input devices. is all are connecting CPU. All are connecting the CPU. It total is called computer. Total is called computer. Computer is a electronic devices. It is connected to input and output devices. It is called computer. It is called computer. Computer is a very important and useful machine. Computer is a very important and useful machine. Very important and useful. Very important and useful. I explain the small example. Listen, student. Very important. For example, any calculation. 5, 7, 3, 2 and 5, 2, 1, 1. Adding the value. Adding the value. How many digits? 4 digits sum. How many digits? 4 digits sum. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. And 7 plus 2, 7 plus 2. You take the 7 fingers and again take the 2 fingers. Okay na? 7 plus 2, 9. 5 plus 5, 5 plus 5, 10. How much? 10. Okay na? This type of are using for the computer. Solve the sums. Solve the sums. Next one. Play the game. Next one using play game. Play game. P-L-A-Y. Play game. G-A-M-E-S. Game. Play the game. Next one. Watching the movie. Next one. Watch the movie. W-A-T-C-H. Watch movie. M-O-V-I-E-S. Watch the movie. You seeing the movies in TV and mobile. That's why using same one, computer. Next one, study. Play the game, watching the movie, solve the sum. S-O-L-V-E. Solve sum. S-U-M-S. Solve the sum. Solve the sums. Okay. And so on. Different are using for the computer. Next one, drawing. Which one? Drawing. Which one is it? Drawing. You draw the pictures. Yeah. This is, for example, this one is computer. This one is computer. You draw the house. Which one? House. Listen, observe this house. Yeah, this is house. Next one, sun picture. Which one? Sun picture. Sun picture. Drawing. Sun picture. Okay, na? Sun picture. That's why using the computer. That's why using computer. Next, painting the pictures. Paint the pictures. Which one next? Painting. Painting the pictures. P-A-I-N-T. Paint pictures. P-I-T-T-U-R-E-S. Paint the pictures. For example, same one. Paint the pictures. This one, painting, house painting, and each and every. Paint the picture and again sun painting, sun painting. That by using the computer. That by using the computer. Which one are different are useful by computer? Which one? Play the game. play the game, remoting, car remote, and PUBG game. That by using the computer. Next one is watching the movies. You see the watching the movies? Yeah, any movies. Bahubali 2, different movies watching computers. Next one, solve the sum. Different sums solving used for the computer. Using for the computer. Next, drawing. Next, which one using drawing? Yeah, this is draw the picture before house and different pictures drawing. That by using the computer. Last one, painting the picture. Which one? Painting. Different. We are different painting there. That's by using the computer. Okay, now understood? Next one, listening music. Listening music. You are using the headset and listening the music. That's why using computer. These are all of the using for computer. Next one, different places are using for computer also. Different places. Which places? First one, your house. Which one using house? House. Different places are using computer. Places. 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 Different ways are using for computer. First one is house. HOUSE. House are using. You are seeing the movies, any games. That's why using the house or home. Second one, school. 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 Schools are using for last year you went to computer lab. Yeah. Are using for different painting, anyone operating, and you observe the school. Any teacher are using for computer in administrative room. Yeah, that is using for computer in school level. Which one? School level. Third one is railway station. Which one is in railway station? RAIL railway. WAY railway station. STATIONS railway station. RAIL WAY railway station. STATIONS railway station. You observe the railway station and you take the ticket counter. Which one using ticket counter? That way using the railway station. This is picture. This is railway station. You take that person is waiting for the ticket, railway ticket. That's why using the computer. Okay na? Next one is hotel. Which one? Which place is using hotel? HOTEL. Hotel. Which one? Which place is another place using for hotel? HOTEL. Hotel. And fifth one is airport. Which one? Airport. AIR. Airport. PORT. Airport. Which place? Another place using for airport. Same one. It also using for take the ticket. And sixth one is railway station, hotel, school, airport, and office. Which one using? Office. 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 OFFICE, office. Any employee's name, store the data that by using the office. Okay na? All are called and why are using for computer and different places are using for computer. All are called more about computer. All are called more about computer. More about computers. M-O-R-E, more. M-O-R-E, more. About. A-B-O-U-T, about. More about computer. C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R-S, computers. More about computers. More about computers. The difference in computer and human. Computer and human difference. Computer, C-O-M-P-U-T-R, computers. Computer and human. Which one? Human. H-U-M-A-N-S, human. Both are different. Computers and humans are small difference. First one is computer is always correct. Computer is always correct calculation. Computer is always correct calculation. Always A-L-W-A-Y, always correct. C-O-R-R-E, cheating, correct. Always correct calculation. And how many make a mistake? M-A-K-E, make, M-A-K-E, make mistake. M-I-S-T-A-K-E, mistake. Sometimes make a mistake. Make a mistake. Okay, now observe this picture. This one observe. 19 minus 39. How much value? 19 minus 39. The students write the 52. It is not correct. And computer write the 19 minus 39. How much value come? 51. 51. Listen, always correct. 90 minus 39 is equal to 51. This value is correct. 90 minus 39 is equal to 52. It is wrong. This value is wrong. Okay, na? Understood this one? Second one is computer is very fast. Computer is very fast. Very V-E-R-Y, very fast. F-A-S-T, fast. Very fast. Computer is very fast. V-E-R-Y, very F-A-S-T, very fast. But how many comparison to computer? It is very slow. S-L-O-W, slow. How many? Slow processing. Third one is it is never get tired. Never get tired. Never, N-E-V-E-R, never get, G-E-T-E-S, get tired. T-I-R-E-D, tired, never get tired. But how many take the rest? How many take a rest? T-A-K-E, take rest. R-E-S-T, rest. Never get tired. Computer is processing long 1 hour, 2 hours, 5 hours, 10 hours, 20 hours, and 30 hours, 2 days or 3 days. Long time you working continually, but you don't take the rest. Computer, human take a rest. You also working for 1 hour, 2 hours. After take the rest. After take the rest in human. Okay na? Fourth one is, it is not own decision. It is not own decision. Human take the own decision. Computer is not take the own decision. Human take the own decision. Okay na? Next one. Computer is not emotional and feel. Emotional and feel. Feel. F-E-L. Feel. Not feel. N-O-T. Not F-E-E-L. Not feel. But human take the emotional and feeling there. Emotional and feelings are there. Computer, it is not feeling. Sad, happy, and sad. It is not anything feeling in computer. But human, he also sad, happy, emotional, different are there. Humans. This is different computers and human. Computers and humans. Next one. Types of computer. Different types of computers are there. Different types of computers are there. Which one? 3 types of computers are there. How many types? 3 types of computers are there. Type. T-Y-P-E. Types. T-Y-P-S. T-Y-P-E-S. Type of computers. O-F of computers. C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R. Computers. Types of computers. First one is desktop. Which one is desktop? Desktop. This desktop is a, what is this? First one is desktop. This is desktop computer. This is desktop computer. This desktop computer is occupy the some spaces. Occupy the some spaces. Take out this places. This is occupy the some spaces. This board is occupy the white paper some spaces. Same one. Desktop computer occupy the some spaces. Some spaces. Next one. It is not moving the one. It is not carrying one place to another places. It is not carrying. It is not moving one places to another places. Mean you go to one village to another village. It is not carrying properly. This is desktop computer. I will draw the diagram. You observe the diagram in. After the diagram, keyboard and mouse. Which one? Mouse. You connect the mouse in CPU. Keyboard also connecting the CPU. Keyboard in different letters are there. Different letters and numbers and different symbols are there. It is connected to the monitor and CPU. This is desktop computer. Second one is laptop. Which one? Laptop. Laptop is a small computer. Desktop is a big computer. B-I-G, big, heavy computer. Big and heavy computer. Laptop is a small size computer. Which is a small size computer. This type of thing. How much type? This type. Okay na? This small size. This type of computer. And laptop lighter than to desktop, lighter than to desktop computers. This is laptop computer. This is laptop computer. Next one is smartphone and smart M-A-R-T, smartphone, P-H-O-N-E, phone, smartphone and smartphone and tabs, T-A-B-B-L-A, tabs. Smartphone and tabs. Is smartphone lighter than to laptop? Lighter than to laptop. It is carrying is very simple. Smartphone is carrying on very simple. Its size is discrete size. How much size? Small size. It is carrying on pocket also. You moving one place to another place also there. And this is tab and smartphone. Tab and smartphone. These three types of computers, it is called personal computer. Three types of computers are personal computer. Personal computers. And in personal computer, at a time using the only one person. At a time using the one person. That is more about computer. Yeah, you are learning the how to useful the computer. Next one, which places are using for computer, difference between humans and computers, and types of computers. We call more about computers.